Hey guys, Tiago here. Today I just wanted to do a little vlog style video, kind of like a behind the scenes look. I wanted to show you guys what I'm working on and some of the future projects. That way you can kind of see how my work environment's like. So let's look over here. You guys may know this computer from a previous build. This is the Lian Dynamic XL. I actually have it on. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a little bit loud. I'm having an issue where like the CPU is just overheating like crazy. Like literally, even if I'm playing a game on it or editing on it, it even shut down a couple of times. The flow seems to be pretty good in the loop, so I don't think it's the pump. I kind of like diagnosed it a little bit. I think it's that CPU block. Something's a little off on it. Maybe something got a little bit clogged. Maybe one of the channels. I'm gonna have to drain this loop, unfortunately, and just kind of like go through it, see what's happening. And that's not gonna be a lot of fun because it's kind of a little bit of a complicated loop. And then I got this other system here. This is the Case Labs case you guys have seen before. Nothing wrong with this one. This one, thankfully, for as complicated as it is, you see I got that dual loop. The blue's going to the CPU 3900K, and the green is going to the GPU, which is SLI or NVLink 2080 cards. As you know, NVLink is pretty useless. I did a video on it, but it looks really cool. Like, it's worth it just for that little connection there. So this system is doing pretty good. I have my other system, actually a AMD X570 system. Had a 3900X in here. I'm gonna plop in a 3950X that has a 2080 Super. This is in the Be Quiet case, but that one's running really good. And the project that I'm working on is actually right here. Look at that. That's gonna be an Intel. It's a 10920X. Like, I know a 10920X, like I know nobody else is gonna get this CPU. Like, this is probably the only one that's even gone out, that's been sold. So it's pretty crazy, because everybody's gonna buy this. This is the 3900X. It's not the 3950X, but the 3900X. They're both 12 cores. This costs about 750 bucks. This one costs about 500 bucks. So I'm gonna compare them. I know the 3900X is gonna come out on top because of the price, but the question is gonna be how much better is this compared to this? Is the difference like tremendous? I think it is gonna be a pretty big difference, especially when you consider the price. On the top there is X299 Tai-Chi XE motherboard, very good motherboard. You see I kind of started taking it apart. That had a 10 core 9820X in there. The reason I had that is right at the end of that life cycle, Micro Center had these on sale for like 350 bucks. I just couldn't resist, but now I got rid of it. I'm gonna throw that 12 core in here. And down here is the second system. If you guys can kind of see. In the second system, I'm gonna put the 3900X. So in the same computer, I'm gonna have the 3900X as well as the 10920X. So talk about a cool comparison. I mean, literally in the same computer, sharing the same power supply. So that's definitely gonna be very cool. All right, guys, that was just a little quick look behind the scenes, some of the stuff I'm working on. Thank you again, everybody, for subscribing. Like my stuff, leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to see me test anything specifically with these computers. You know, the 3900X or even the 10920X. I know that's a very sort of looked down upon CPU. Not that many people are going to be using it, but I thought it'd be pretty interesting to do a comparison anyway. So that way we can just see how far behind it truly is. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.